picture of a girl on Ibis Paint. Firstly, draw a structure of a human with all the features. Color the skin and fill out the remaining places. Shade the inner parts. Then let's set up the eye, so we will go with the lips. Now let's shade the inner eyes going through the nose up to the eyebrows. Now making a band on her head. Once it is filled, shade the corners with the darker color. Always remember to shade the specific thing with the same color, but in a darker shade. Now, going with hairs, with the same method. After shading, let's make a dress for this girl, with the contrast to its band. You can add details for the background if you want.